Hi friends, welcome back to N Curve24. If you are new to my channel, please check out my other videos, and if you like it, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon. Today I am going to show you a Korean skincare brand. I hope many of you will be familiar with this because it's a very popular Korean skincare brand and it is called Purito. The product which I have today is the Purito Galacto Niacin 97 Power Essence, and I have been using this from 2020. I used it in between on and off, and now I started consistently using it from 2021. And this is part of my night skincare routine now. So, what this product is all about? The main ingredient of this product is the galactomyces, which you may have heard in some of the popular skincare essences. And most probably, if you heard of SK2, you know this ingredient very well. Galactomyces is a fermented ingredient, means it is obtained from fermented sake. If you don't know what is meant by sake, it's actually a kind of beverage made by fermenting rice. It is also called as Japanese rice wine. In short, it's a kind of fungi or yeast in other words. So how it became such a popular skincare ingredient? So there is a history behind this. It was discovered in 1970s in a Japanese rice wine brewery. They found that hands of the workers there in that brewery have wrinkle-free hands. They could see that there is a difference of age when they compared it to their face. So hands doesn't match with the face. Face was wrinkly. So they did further research and found that anti-aging and hydrating effect of this fungi. They started to include this in a lot of food and beverage like sauce, wine, etc. And you can guess what skincare industry did. The iconic SK2 essence came out, then lot of other skincare and Korean brands started using this as their ingredient in most of their essences, toners, moisturizers, and all of those stuffs. The benefits of galactomyces is not just limited with anti-aging, but it can help with overall health of the skin with hydration and antioxidant. The product which I have in this video is from the brand Purito. It comes in a sustainable packaging like this, and Purito is always good with their packaging. It has a pump dispenser like this. What I love about this brand Purito is that they use not only clean ingredients but also very minimal and effective ingredients. So here is the full ingredient list of this product. It has 92% of galactomyces ferment filtrate as the first ingredient. They have also mentioned in their website on what each ingredient does to our skin. So it means the transparency of that brand. It has niacinamide 5% as the second ingredient, which is great for brightening, helping with fading dark marks. Overall, it's a star ingredient, you know already. And they have some extracts, leaf extracts, bifida ferment lysate, which is another fermented ingredient found in Estee Lauder products also. Then we have lactobacillus ferment filtrate, which is a skin conditioning agent. That is also a fermented ingredient. It also has arginine, allantoin, adenosine, etc. And all of these are great ingredients. So this 92% galactomyces ferment filtrate is a high amount, and it has another star with this, which is niacinamide. So I skip my niacinamide serum at night if I'm using this product. It also has bifida ferment lysate, which helps with strengthening skin barrier. I use this every night. I started using it about 3 weeks ago. I use this as first essence after my face wash. The consistency is little watery, little bit slimy, and I take 2 to 3 pumps of this and apply all over my face and neck. I will just dab it on my face. I wait for 1 to 2 minutes to absorb it, and before I apply something else on my face. This product did not cause me any irritation or any kind of issues with my skin, but people who are having a sensitive or fungal acne prone skin, you should definitely do a patch test because fermented ingredients can be problematic for fungal acne people, because fermented ingredients are going to be fungi, so it may not suit you. So do your own testing and research. For me, I felt my skin is so soft after some time of application. Also, there is no much oiliness as earlier, so this niacinamide in this product helps with regulating that sebum. It's really hydrating on my skin, and I feel like it plumps up the skin just like when I use hyaluronic acid products. I can't say much about wrinkles, but this really makes my skin healthy looking in my experience. And initially, I didn't see any result on first 4 to 5 days. It was like just applying water on my face. But after some point of time, I felt that my skin became really healthy looking. So I will definitely repurchase this product, and it's one of my favorite essences. So I became a fan of Korean essences. Also, it's a worthy investment because it comes in 60 ml of bottle, and 3 pumps are enough for my face. So it will easily last for more than 2 months for me. Let me know if you have used this product and what was your experience with this. I hope this review was helpful. Please do subscribe to my channel, it's totally free. And stay connected until I upload a new video. Bye bye.